Namaste children. Today we are doing practice pronouns in the practice book. Read the story The Hare and the Tortoise given below. A hare was once boasting of his speed to the other animals. I have never yet been beaten in a race, he told them. I can run faster than any of you. I challenge any one here to race with me. The tortoise said quietly, I accept the challenge. Tortoise said quietly, I accept the challenge. That is a good joke, the hare laughed. I could dance around you all the way. Keep your boasting until you have won, answered the tortoise. Shall we race? See, this is a conversation between hare and the tortoise. Hare is saying something, tortoise is the second person, hare is the first person. When tortoise is saying something, tortoise is the first person and hare is the second person. So they are speaking about the race. So the race is the third person. Okay, third thing. So here write down the words the hare uses address himself. So for the hare we have one has been done as an example. So instead of hare, what pronouns used? We should write hare, I. And what is the pronoun he is used here? He. So hare, and for under hare we use he. Note down the word tortoise uses for the hare, not for the tortoise. Tortoise saying for the hare. So I can run very fast and I challenge that. The tortoise said quietly, I accept the challenge. That is a good joke. I could this. Ah, he is saying to the tortoise, you have won. So this is the you pronoun for the tortoise. Now, what words does the tortoise use for both hare and hare himself? We. Who are speaking, both they are speaking, no, so we is the, then what word has been used instead of the words animals? They are not there here, so they are in between the conversation, so that is them. The words that you have written are called pronouns. So are the personal pronouns, we can say that. They stand for the nouns hare, tortoise, and animals. Instead of nouns, hare, tortoise, and animals, they used here the pronouns. See. Worksheet 1. Now imagine you are hare. So the previous story between hare and tortoise, no? Now you are in the position of hare. Now you became as a hare. So instead of hare, you are speaking here all. You continue to narrate the story to your friends. Use pronouns to complete the story. The first sentence has been done as an example. I hope that you know the story already. So from childhood onwards, we are learning the tortoise and his story, the crow and the thirsty crow. We learn all these. So here we are learning here. After the tortoise challenged me, now you are here. In the place here, you are speaking all this. After the tortoise challenged me, a course was fixed and start made. The run race, they started the race. It seems. So, Dash ran out of the sight at once. Sight means in front of you. No, no, how much distance you can see that place. See, out of sight once at once, but the tortoise did not give up. So it started very fast. It's running very fast, but tortoise walking very slowly. Not give up means by looking at the tortoise, it did not stop. So you are saying about the I. So I ran. So you are speaking about the tortoise, no? It. You should write here it. It continued to walk slowly but steadily. Soon, knowing that uh, it was. Oh, the tortoise. So it was far behind. I. So I stopped to have a nap. I. So I. So here is so is not there. You write here so and I. So I napped here. I stopped to have a nap. But when I woke up from my nap, I saw that it was far ahead of me. Quickly, I got up and ran as fast as I could, but it had already touched the finish line. I'm saying again the pronouns only. Here, I, it, so I, I, it, me, I, it. Okay, go for next. Here, read the following extract taken from B. Mix Up at Birth, Unit Sports of My English Reader. The story has been written by Sunil Gavaskar. Circle pronouns and say what nouns they replace. So, we will read the para, we will circle, then we will find the pronouns are used for whom. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if he had not been alert. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along the west coast. I often think about the baby who, for a spell, took my place. I don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. These are the words said by the Sunil Gavaskar in his book. So we have to circle the pronouns here. Instead of circle, I will underline here, but you have to circle. I can't do this easily with this pen. So just why I'm underlining, but you have to circle, beta. What are you doing? Yeah, do circle the pronouns. Okay, I circle. For Sunil Gavaskar, who is the speaker? I. So rewrite here I. And my. So is the speaker, no? So first person. I and my. Then the baby, second person. And uncle also here, second person. Okay, now we wrote here. Now sheet 3, these are the personal pronouns. Here this is also the demonstrative pronoun, but they did not ask anything here. Read the poem given below. Notice the nouns and pronouns used in each stanza. This is the poem. We said already. I said that in passage in the text we say that it's a separate are there. Then this is called para, and in the poem separate lines are there. A group of lines separately, a gap that is called stanza. Okay. In the given boxes for in front of each stanza, write the pronouns used for each noun. The noun mentioned and the pronouns mentioned, but they had given the boxes here. Under the boxes, we had to write for fox what pronouns used, for moon what pronouns used. The fox went out on a cold night and asked the moon to give him light. So it gave him light, for he had miles to go before he reached the town. Oh ho! This is the pope. So the fox and the moon. So what pronouns here? Here first we underline this him, he, told, and it, he. Okay. For moon. It is mentioned here as a thing, and fox mentioned as a male noun. So he, him will come here, and it come here under the moon. Okay, like that we have to do. We finally reached a big pen. In it were many ducks and hens. On seeing him, they began to run. The fox began to chase them. Here, what pronouns are there? He, it, It is a place name. Ducks and any. On seeing him, they began to run. The fox began to chase them. Here there are these 1 5 pronouns are here. For pen, write here it because it's a place name. For fox, he and him, again you write here. For ducks, they and them we write. Ducks, duck and hens both together. So we should write they and them. He caught Naga. Again he caught a hen by the neck, flung a duck on his back. With them he ran fast to his den. In it waited his wife and children 10. So he again his okay them he his it his okay. These are the pronouns here. For ducks and hens plural no, so we write here them. For fox, what again he his only it is there. For then it. Okay, you write here under the in the boxes. They ate the hen and duck. They and thought they had a wonderful luck. Wonderful luck. Yes. After the meal, they slept tight in the dew that moonlit night. So here they fox 5 and 10 children 10. For all plural nouns, so we have to use they, their. Only they and their should write here. Now possessive pronouns. Here these are all the pronouns you used are the personal pronouns. Now possessive pronouns. Here Rohini has made a new friend. She is telling her about the family. Read what she says. Now both my parents. Now Rohini is speaking. See the arrow mark is there here to this girl. So she is a Rohini and her friend, new friend. My name is not given here. Okay. Both my parents. My means who is nice? Rohini. My parents are textile designers and they're working. They means who? Parents working hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. My again Rohini brother is the youngest in our family. Our means their. Rohini's family. We write here family. We means uh, family. We say that family live in a giant family. Grandma says she is proud of her family. Her means who is here? Grandma. Grandfather wants his family to be disciplined. His means who? Grandfather. See that we have to uh, observe these bold letters. So they had given the nouns and possessive nouns. So nouns and possessive pronouns both are there here, and we have to write in the next page. These possessive nouns are what? Write what the words in bold stand for. One has been done for you. My means Rohini's. There means who is there here? Yes? There means what? Parents. Yes, parents. Now we means who are those we? Family. Yes. Her means her grandmother. His means grandfather. Very good. Now go for worksheet 4. Read the following dialogue that took place between Kunal and his sister. Kunal and his teacher. Circle the words that tell us whom the things belong to. See here, in here possessive pronoun worksheet only. So we have to circle. We have to circle all the words that tell us whom the things belongs to. So you have many pronouns here. Only possessive pronouns you have to circle, not all. Okay. Now you are okay. I will read out the first one. These are the dialogues of the teachers. These are the dialogues of the Kunal. So Kunal, have you done your homework? No, ma'am. Why not? Bring your notebook to my table. Going to the teacher. Ma'am, I have missed it as our house is being whitewashed. Why have you brought Namita's notebook? I have already seen her work. Ma'am, may I have? Your permission to keep her notebook till I find mine. You may note down its contents and return her notebook tomorrow. This is a conversation between that teacher and the student. Now we have to underline, we have to circle the things belong to means possessive. Your homework? No, ma'am. Why not bring your notebook? My table. Then going to the teacher, ma'am, I have missed her as our house is being whitewashed. Why have you bought Namita's notebook? I have already seen her work. Here, you pronoun is not there, but it is not the possessive noun. So, ma'am, I have your permission. So, keep her book, notebook of mine. You may note down its contents and return her notebook tomorrow. So, these are the possessive pronouns. Now, go for read the passage given below. In each line there is one word is missing. A slash has been inserted where the word is missing. Write the missing word in the space provided. The first one has been done as an example. This is a worksheet 5. So by reading the passage, which word is missing? Those are particularly pronouns only, not the nouns. So we have to imagine what pronoun should come here. This is called uh, omission. This kind of work is called omission because one word is omitted means missed. We have to find out the missing word. So reading the passage we come to know what pronoun it should be. Okay, based on the sentence. One day Raghav and his friend were walking through the forest that was near his house. So Raghav, we are introducing Raghav, no? So his house. Suddenly, they heard a scream, shouting. Raghav at once ran in that direction. On reaching there, he saw a small girl lying on the ground. She, is capital, she had bitten by a snake. Raghav tried to look for the snake, but it had gone away. The two friends quickly took the girl to a doctor. The doctor treated her at once and told the boys that they were very brave. So by reading, I read with the correct pronouns once again. I will see that why it is the right pronoun here. See, once Raghav mentioned here. So what pronoun will come here? His. Now suddenly both are there here. They heard. Okay, they will come here. And reaching them, that direction on reaching there only Raghav went no. So we have to write he saw a small girl lying on the ground, and that girl, why she is lying on the ground? She had bitten by a snake. Snake is an animal. No, Raghav tried to look for the snake, but we replace the snake with it. On away, the two friends quickly took the girl to a doctor. The doctor treated her because she was injured, treated her at once, and told the boys that they were very brave. Okay, this is the we can imagine in that way. Okay, you have to while writing why the pronoun is correct. Also, you should think. Now do it yourself after every exercise, every chapter in the practice book we will do some practice later. Do it yourself bit will be do it yourself is nothing but do by the student. The heading is saying it. The heading itself is saying that do it yourself. Yourself means by the student. Read the conversation below. You will notice that there is a lot of repetition of nouns. Replace the repeated words with suitable pronouns or possessives in the box provided by their side. Now Rohini, have you made a new friend? Reena. Yes, Mallika's name is Mallika Suri. Mallika. So it is repeated Mallika in this first. Why is that a possessive pronoun or this a personal pronoun? You should write here. Mallika. So first B is there. So it is her. What should write here? Her. Her name is. So you read the sentence after this. Yes, her name is Mallika Suri. Mallika is 10 years old. Mallika means what? What subjective pronoun? She is 10 years old. Again, Mallika came. She has just joined our school. Dash likes music and skating. She is capital beta all because starting of the sentence. Now Rohini, does Malika, it doesn't started with capital letter. Does she have any brothers or sisters? Reena, yes, Malika has a brother Madhav. So Malika, again here she introduced Madhav. Madhav already introduced. So for second time we have used the pronouns of Madhav. See, Madhav means he. In class 9, Madhav is a good swimmer. No, he. Both Malika and Madhav. So what we have to write? He and she? No. Both are there. So what is the both plural pronoun? We are they. Yes, they. They play the guitar very well. In fact, Madhav and Malika again they have given many stage performances also. Madhav and Mallika's, first be here. Madhav and Mallika's. So their parents are always encouraging Mallika and Madhav. See here, it is given here. So we can end up the sentence. So it is objective pronoun them. They, their, them. Okay. They, them. I will tell here, previous page I can't go. I will repeat the pronouns here. He, them, sorry, they, them. Okay. Now Reena has found a few pencils in his desk. He asks Raman found, he asked the students of his class whom they belong to. Belong to always shows possessiveness. The following conversation takes place. Read it carefully and circle the pronouns and possessives. They did not mention particular pronoun, only pronouns and the possessives also mentioned, but we can write what pronoun, either interrogative or relative. What we know, we will circle all the pronouns. Okay. Raman, whose pencils are these? Whose and these? Rashi, I don't know. They are not mine. She is saying that I don't know. They are not mine. Varun, where did you find them? Where you them? Yes, in this way you have to do better. Raman, I found them in my desk. I, them, my. Ragini, they perhaps belong to the students who had their class in here in the previous period. Like that we will go for the second language, third language, classes will change, no? Same way they might have changed. So they forgot their pencils here, like that. Ragini is saying that they who they in the previous period. Okay. Raman, what about these pens? Do you think are also dates? What about these? These, you, they, these. Yes. Ragini, I'm not sure of that, but I'm sure that they are not ours. I only beta that they are here. That is not, it's a relative pronoun over here. Here it is so demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now Rashi, that red one is Ruchi's. I think she lost her pen this morning. Varun, yes, it is hers. See, that I, she, her, this, it, hers. These many pronouns are there. Here possessive pronouns are there. Relative pronouns are there. Interrogative pronouns are there. So different kinds of pronouns here. So it is we can keep it like this as an activity. So we completed these pronouns in the practice book.